Blocksy plus WooCommerce is already a killer combo, but if you're not using a frequently bought together section, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sleek, high converting bundle section to your product page using OtterWP's Product Bundler. This is the kind of feature that big stores use to boost their average order value, and you can set it up in minutes. If you want your store to sell smarter, not harder, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the link in the description, grab this plugin. It's not a free plugin, but it's extremely powerful. There are some free, frequently bought together plugins on the market. They're going to lack some key features like analytics, and certainly the one at the end I'll show you to actually make this truly successful. So to start, we're going to show you the easiest way to get going is once you have it installed, you'll see Product Bundler, and you're going to go into settings. Now, I have the list, but these are all locations of stuff and where you want it located. I always keep it before the tabs, and also I usually like to have it stay on page. So we're going to save those settings. And then there's appearance, which is changing colors, border. You can change the size of the images and the layout and all kinds of stuff and change the text. But over here, AI and FBT, frequently bought together, you can just enable the smart fallback. And what this does is it collects information on your orders and really weighs out the score and then chooses products for you based on how they buy them together. So you just enable that and let it run. But for this video, we're going to create a bundle that will cover a whole category. So if we go to all bundles, we're going to add a new bundle. And we're going to call this 3D printer. And you can change the title if you don't want it to be frequently bought together. But we're going to search for 3D printer. And we're going to search for the category. So the category of 3D printer. That means as long as one of the items is in 3D printer, it's going to display this bundle. So then we're going to add filament. And then we're going to add nozzle. Now, this will show on every single one. You can set a discount amount, which is either going to be fixed. Then you select the amount, and you have this run as a time because this section is meant for discounts, but you can use it to display a bundle as well. And just make sure it's active. Press Save Bundle. And now if we go into the front end, you're going to see 3D printer. And now you see that bundle there. And just with one button, they can add it to the cart, making it super simple for them to do. And if we go to another 3D printer, it should also have that same bundle. As you see, very simple and easy to set up. The key way to be successful in anything, especially in e-commerce, is to have analytics and data to back up what you're doing. So if this wasn't working, the best thing for you to do is get rid of it. But we can also test out different bundles. So we can try to make things work in our favor. And we're going to do that by going into products, all products. We're going to select any one of these. We'll do hoodie with zipper. And down here, you will see here frequently bought together. And now we can make a custom one for this product. Click it on, and we can start building it out. Let's do cap, belt, and you can add more, but 3 is kind of where you want to keep at. You kind of want to look at how much people are spending. Try to keep that reasonable. If it's very, very high, no one's going to buy it. The next thing you want to do is enable A/B testing. Now you're going to have this one. And now we're going to let's do a beanie with this one. We'll do beanie with logo. And let's do the same belt. Now we will go and it will bounce automatically between these two and figure out which one is the best. You'll also be able to view the results. You'll have the views, the carts, sales, and the conversion percentage. And then at the end of it, it will automatically set that as the bundle it will display. So you can also compare it against the AI. It's really an algorithm that sets the bundles. And You can set a specific duration, so after 1,000 views, it'll conclude which one is better by raw data. That way you're not just guessing. And that's the key to being successful in e-commerce and in websites generally. As long as you're able to test your ideas and get results, good or bad, you will eventually be successful. Now let's go view this product. And you'll see it will display this one. We'll add this to the cart. And then we'll go back into our analytics page for the bundles. We can go in there. And as you see, you can track it all from this analytics tab and gives you all the information you need. The most important thing is to, again, track, see results. If it's good, do more of it. And if it's bad, get rid of it. This is the best way to keep you from bloating your website full of additional plugins and make it so that your site stays clean and efficient and also helps you sell more products. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.